Hi, welcome back. 今天和大家分享去看医生需要的英文表达，内容非常的全面实用，让你可以听懂医生说的话，顺利的和医生描述各种症状。我是 Zahara。如果你想在情境中学习生活中经常使用的口语干货，欢迎关注我的频道。Now let's get started. 在国外看病，首先呢要打个电话预约某个全科医生 General Practitioner。之后到前台，你可以说 My name is I have an appointment with Dr. Miller at 10 a.m. 我上午10点和 Miller 医生有预约。I have an appointment with Dr. Miller at 10 a.m. Then you need to hand over your medical insurance card. 然后呢，你需要把医保卡递给前台。Medical insurance card. 医保卡 Medical insurance card.Sometimes you also need to fill out the medical history form. Fill out the form. 填写表格。
We have to fill these out.
Fill out the medical history form. 填一下病史记录表。Fill out the medical history form.
Okay, medical history. Have you ever been diagnosed with diabetes?
When the doctor is ready, the nurse will call you. 看病的时候呢，医生问的第一句话就是哪里不舒服？What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the problem? 或者会用到另一个词 symptom 症状 symptom What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms? Could you describe your symptoms? Could you describe your symptoms? 给医生描述自己的症状呢是一个核心的内容，我们可以用到以下4个句型。第一个就是自己的感受 I feel dizzy 我感到头晕 I feel dizzy I feel nauseous 我感到恶心 I feel nauseous 如果你已經有吐過 You can say I threw up this morning I threw up this morning. I threw up this morning. 如果表达呼吸不畅 I feel breathless. I feel breathless. I feel breathless. 感到冷 I feel chilly. I feel chilly. I feel chilly.我们描述自己的病症用的第二个句型就是 I've got 或者直接说 I have 我有什么样的症状，这两种都是可以的。比如说我感冒了 I've got a cold I have a cold 我咳嗽 I've got a cough I have a cough 我发烧I've got a fever. I have a fever. 我鼻子不通 I've got a stuffed nose. I have a stuffed nose. 我喉咙痛 I've got a sore throat. I have a sore throat. 以上呢是感冒最常见的具体表达。当表达身体某个部位很痛，可以用到 ache 这个后缀，疼痛。I've got a headache. I have a headache. I've got a stomachache. I have a stomachache. I've got a toothache. I have a toothache. I've got a backache. I have a backache.说到痛，如果呢你想要强调痛得很厉害，你可以用第三种表达 is killing me. For example, my stomach is killing me. 我的胃太疼了 My stomach is killing me. My back is killing me. 我的背太疼了 My back is killing me. 第四种是表达我们对什么过敏 I am allergic to.I'm
allergic to kiwi.
No, you're not. You're allergic to lobster and peanuts and...
It's definitely getting worse.
I have a rash. Maybe I'm allergic to something. Maybe I'm allergic to something. When you have described your symptoms to your doctor, he'll ask you, How long have you been like this? How long have you been like this? Or, How long has this been going on? How long has this been going on? 回答持续多久了，我们可以用到这样两个词 since, for. 注意一下时态是完成时。For example, I've had a slight fever since this morning. 我从今天早上就一直发低烧。Since, 自从 since. I've had a slight fever since this morning. I've had a headache for 2 days. 我头疼了2天了。For 加上一段时间 For 2 days. I've had a headache for 2 days. 我们也可以直接用 recently 表示最近一段时间，这阵子。My stomach has been killing me recently. My stomach has been killing me recently. 说完内科的症状，下面和大家简单的分享一下外科的身体受伤该怎么去表达呢？ In general, we can say I hurt 加上身体的部位 hurt 表示在事故中身体受伤并且很痛。我伤了哪里？ I hurt my arm. I hurt my knee. I hurt my ankle.
Oh, my ankle! I really hurt my ankle. I think I twisted it. Oh, a quarter.
如果我们想要更准确地描述外伤，可以用到以下的表达 I sprained my ankle. 我扭伤了脚踝 Sprain, 扭伤关节 Sprain. I sprained my ankle. 我们还可以用 twist,扭伤关节 I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle.
Oh, my ankle! I really hurt my ankle. I think I twisted it. Oh, a quarter.
If you hurt a lot, you can say I broke my leg. 我的腿骨折了。这里用 break 表示非常的严重。I broke my leg.
Okay, look, I have an audition tomorrow, and I can't go if I break my leg.
如果只是擦伤 I bruised my arm. 我擦伤了手臂 Bruise, 摔伤、撞伤，出现了淤青 I bruised my arm. 关于外科的受伤以及治疗伤病都有很多的好用的表达。大家如果感兴趣，欢迎在下方留言告诉我。针对外科的受伤 injuries， 我可以专门再做一期视频。我们回到前面内科的部分。除了表达我们的症状 In the examination room, the nurse or the doctor will do the following. Let me take your temperature. 让我来量一下体温 Let me take your temperature. Let me check your blood pressure. 让我量下血压 Let me check your blood pressure. Let me listen to your heart. 让我听诊 Let me listen to your heart.Let me take your pulse. 让我把一下脉 Let me take your pulse. 医生呢还会用到这样的一个词 Examine, 仔细的检查 Examine, 后面加上一个身体的部位比如 Let me examine your throat. 让我检查一下你的喉咙 Let me examine your throat. 有时候呢直接需要打一针
Under these circumstances, it has to be an injection, and it has to be now.
I'll give you an injection. 我给你打一针 Injection, 注射，打针 I'll give you an injection. 如果医生需要更多的检查，可能会说 You need a blood test today. 你需要抽血 You need a blood test today. You need an ultrasound.你需要超声波检查 You need an ultrasound. After these tests, you'll get a diagnosis. Diagnosis, 诊断结果 Diagnosis. Get the diagnosis. If the condition is not serious, the doctor will prescribe medicine for the patient. 医生呢会开点药 prescribe something 给开处方药 prescribe something The doctor will probably say Get the prescription filled at the pharmacy 拿这张处方去药房拿药 prescription 医生开的处方药方 prescription pharmacy 药房 pharmacy Get the prescription filled at the pharmacy Get the prescription filled at the pharmacy 医生还会嘱咐该怎么用药 Take the pill with food twice a day 与食物一起服用一天2次 Take the pill with food twice a day 药呢有不同的形态比如 tablet pill capsule都和 take 搭配表示服药 If the condition is a bit serious, the doctor will probably refer the patient to a specialist. 让病人呢转诊到专科的医生。Refer somebody to 将某人转诊到哪里？那么医生呢可能会对你说 I'll refer you to 我要将你转诊到哪里？ I'll refer you to